guys, hope you're doing well. So today, what I've got planned is I'm going to be going to Jack's. I'm going to give him a hand with his drive shaft oil seal because it's leaking a little bit. So we're going to fix that. We're going to do a few other bits and we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know that if you are in Nottinghamshire area, me and Jack are starting to do repairs on cars. He is a fully qualified mechanic. We're hoping to take it as far as we can and get a unit at some point as well. So any of you guys looking for somebody to do some work on your cars, whether it's pads, brakes, service, anything that's obviously possible, just at roadside. I mean, we may even possibly be able to fit exhaust and that. So yeah, follow him on Instagram, drop him a message and he'll give you a quote. He's here. He's like, fuck that, I'm too tired. See, he looks after me, this lad does. He looks after me. Oh, man. Alright, so me and Jack's going to get some food, some breakfast. Look at this. Oh dear. Oh dear. Food. Go on. Hey. Before any morning working on cars, you've got to have a decent breakfast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good Jack with his little pussy portion. Alright, so we're in Alfred's, getting some funnels, getting some gearbox oil. And then we're going to go and get some drive shaft drugs. We're going to go and get some drive shaft seals from Vauxhall, I believe, when it opens up.
You smell shit? Sorry.
You dirty bastard. Dirty boy.
How do you got 1.6 Corsa?
Yeah, because they don't exist. Look at that, look. Don't even have a 1.6 Corsa. Don't exist.
Suck your
It's
shit.
because they don't use Bosch though, do they? Can't be why.
Oh.
NGK. He's literally running around Alfred's, hugging his oil. Run, Jack, run. He has literally just picked Jesse up.
That's a big spanner though, isn't it?
Right, so we're at Vauxhall. We're going to go and get a drive shaft seal now. And spend some pennies. Yay. Yay.
So you spending pennies?
Yay. Yeah, it's not me. It's Jack. Jack's spending pennies.
I don't like it.
Also, while we're here as well, you probably see quite a few things of Jack's car on my channel. That's right, innit, Jack?
Yes.
So, yeah, you'll see some progress on his car as well. He's wanted some big power, but he said we can record it from our channel because we're going to be doing quite a few things together anyway, as I mentioned at the start of this video. So, yeah, follow him on Instagram. Scream right now.
What, me?
No, it's on the screen
Oh.
right now.
I thought you said scream.
Look at that smile. The XR, Corsa, Vans and a Mitsubishi, and BAM! Look at him, just sat there chilling. Alright, so there's a reason we're laughing. We've just come to Keegan's work because last night, and I was wrapping some of his car, I got some pinstripe and I did a little bit of artwork on his car. And he's come to work and he don't actually realise what we've done to his car. I'm going to show you in a minute. And he's come to work with it still on his car. Watch this. You ready, boys? You ready? Dun dun dun! So guys, we're here to fix it. As you can see right here, when it focuses, when I move my finger, you see the oil leaking out. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace that seal on that side. It's going to be, Jack's going to be a happy bunny. Work it, Jack. Work it. Work it. Work it. 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 stroke. He's tired. Always use axle stands, boys. Always use axle stands. Safety first. Hey, Jack. Safety first.
Unless you got to go. Like me.
I'll undo some wheels. Oh. Don't you worry about me, look. Foot's on brake, boys. Foot's on brake. Sounds like my bones, that does, when I wake up in the morning. Ooh, I can see Jack through the little hole. Jack. Look at little baby Jack. Look at little baby Jack. He's not going to have a clue that I've actually recorded this until he watches this video, which is going to be funny as fuck. Hi, Jack. You failed. Oh. He's chasing him. Oh, Jack, you're going to have to lay down in that, mate.
In still coming out.
Yeah, it's still coming. Still coming. Look at this, look. He's even got himself a little bed. He's folded head bit over, look, so he's got a nice little cushion.
You gotta get yourself comfortable in these situations.
Comfort, Jack. Comfort, mate.
Very.
Look at him, look, shoving his hands in tight places.
Nothing new.
Right, boys. Bit tight under here. But, as you can see here, just there, it's going to refocus just there. This is what we're replacing. Drive shaft's been pulled out just here. Obviously took wheel off and the arm and everything to get it off. Ah, my testicle! You bitch! I just got slapped in the testicle by Jack. Oh fuck! So yeah, we're gonna replace this now. I'm gonna beat the shit out of Jack. We'll see you in a minute. Alright, so we took these oil seals off the car. Old one, as you can see there. We just mentioned it looks like whoever had it before sealed it back in. Some silicone, you can see there, look on that corner. So we've got the new one here now, which we're going to put straight back in. Hopefully that's going to solve the little oil leak problem as well. We're just literally putting all the oil back in now into the gearbox. We've put the oil seal back in. So what we're going to do now is put it all back in, go through all the gears, just make sure there's no leaks. If there's no leaks, mission successful. If there is leaks, well, do it all again. Right, so we're just going to test if there's any leaks. Jack's up there looking all pretty. He's just going to put it in gear and we're just going to go through the gears. Obviously wheels off the ground, or disc. So we're going to turn the ignition on.
Get a spark on you.
Thanks, mate. Look at that. Yeah. Right, so we're just going to go through gears now, just make sure that there's no drips, leaks or anything like that. We have checked this already, but I'm just filming it so you guys can see it as well, just to see what we are doing. Obviously the wheels are off the ground because they are going to be spinning. Right, just a little tip for you guys. If you do that and you do test it with the wheels spinning, your ABS light will come on. If your ABS light comes on and you get a code F, just drive it up and down and it will clear itself. Alright, so don't worry about that. It will come up. It's just because it's not understanding why the wheels are moving at different speeds as well, and it just comes up on that. So easy fix for you guys. All done?
Yeah.
All done. Right, so what we're going to do now is my handbrake's quite high, as you can see here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to adjust that. And the way you want to do that is you want to pinch this, pull it up, and then there's a bolt underneath. I will tell you what bolt it is in a minute. And then you want to watch your back calipers. As you tighten it, as soon as they start to move inwards, that's when you want to stop tightening it, because that means it's going to put your brake on. These do get loose after time, so you can just tighten them yourself. Right, so we're going to use a deep 10mm socket to do the bolt under the handbrake. And what we're going to look for here at the back, as you can just see right here, we're going to look to see if that moves, and as soon as it starts moving, we're going to tell Jack to stop. So go on, Jack. Right, so we're just checking the handbrake isn't actually binding, and we can actually free spin, but making it as tight as possible, so we're not pulling it up to the roof just to lock it. So we've got Jack under the car. No, not really, he stood there. We've got Jack under the car, and then he's obviously just turning it, and we're just seeing how freely that it spins after we loosen it and tightening it. Right, so we're just going to test this. Jack's method of testing this: put it into gear first or second, find your bite point, well, yeah, sorry, first or reverse, not second. First or reverse, find your bike point, and then obviously if it stays in one place, with the handbrake on, we're all good. See there? Now we're in reverse, now forwards. Look at that, it's on bags. Jack's getting it car, as you can see, it's a lot lower now. All sorted, simple job.
McDonald's.
Message him for mechanics. Right, so that's it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy it. We've kind of swapped places as well. He's now got my car, we've traded, and I've got his just here. So yeah, but you're going to see some more stuff on Jack's car as well on the channel. Some more stuff as well of me and him doing stuff like mechanics and shit like that. We're going to start doing service videos, all that sort of stuff. So give this guy a round of applause. Look at that face. Right, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.